Postal carriers are very concerned about the lack of protective equipment being provided to them. WMAR 2 News' Mallory Safaste heard from several letter carriers about the difficult working conditions they're experiencing as more people test positive and less people show up to work. Because if it matters to you, it's a matter for Mallory.
We've learned the number of cases among postal employees in our area is up to 11. And while USPS looks to hire new people, its workers say they need more from management to do their jobs safely.
On April 7th, we learned that an employee at the Highlandtown station tested positive for COVID-19.
A video obtained from a Postal Service employee confirms another case of COVID-19 in post office facilities in the Baltimore area.
We believe the risk is low for employees who work at the Highlandtown station, but we will keep you updated as we receive new information. As
of March 31st, the total stands at 11 employees from 9 separate facilities.
We're not notified about it until we communicate.
This local postal employee, who wants to remain anonymous over concerns he could lose his job, said they're learning about cases from watching the news.
We have probably 1/3 or so of our force that's not at work right now because of what's going on.
USPS granted liberal leave policies to employees who are high risk and those who lack child care. But this worker thinks the absences may also be due to a lack of protective equipment.
I know most of them are just concerned because we don't have the correct equipment. I think our office now has gloves. They got one box of masks, which was probably 50 in a box. We're supplying, I'd say, 90% of our own materials to clean our trucks, to clean our office, to do what we can to get out here.
USPS says they are distributing millions of masks, gloves, and cleaning and sanitizing products to more than 30,000 locations. However, hazard reports show these items are in short supply. One report states they don't have anything to wipe down door latches, handles, steering wheels. Under supervisor's action, the response is wipes are out of stock. Please use what supplies we have. The supervisor writes masks are in back order to a different report. And in response to complaints about no hand sanitizer, the answer is out of stock at this time.
I think our biggest fear is not necessarily us contracting a virus, but it's us spreading it to our customers. I mean, we deal with anywhere from 500 to 1,200 customers a day per person. And it's just that one person that you can infect and make sick, I guess, per se. And I think we're trying to avoid that at most.
Postal carriers deliver medications, Social Security checks.
Postal employees have always stepped up in times of crisis, and we thank you for serving the nation.
He wants to continue his job by providing this essential service, but he wants to know his safety is also being made a priority.
We're not being heard at all. And I think that's why I'm here. We all love our job. We want to work, but we need a safe environment, and that's the bottom line.
He added that cleaning supplies from the public has been a huge help, and they appreciate any donations. And as far as the coronavirus spreading through the mail, the CDC, World Health Organization, and Surgeon General have all said there's no evidence of that happening. And because packages are shipped over a period of several days or weeks, the risk is very low.
Hey, Mallory, thanks. You know, while workers try to stay safe on the job, the Postal Service is trying to ensure that they keep their jobs. The Postmaster General warned lawmakers last week that the pandemic has caused billions of dollars in revenue loss, and the agency will run out of cash by the end of September if this continues. Congress doesn't provide financial assistance. All right, if you have a matter for Mallory, she wants to hear from you right now. You can email her at mallory@wmar.com, or you can find her on Facebook and Twitter.